Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Ram 3500 SLT diesel. Under the hood sits a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine that produces 370 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch chrome-clad steel wheels, as well as heated power-adjustable tow mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors, as well as a trailer hitch receiver. This Ram has a towing capacity up to 16,910 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic headlight controls. This Ram is equipped with a front bench seat with a power adjustable driver's seat and all-weather floor mats. On the vehicle steering wheel, we have our cruise control buttons. Also equipped is SiriusXM radio and a backup camera. On the vehicle's key fob, we have remote entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.